In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to feature listings in your shop manager, something that's essential for drawing attention to your best products and potentially boosting your sales. Featuring listings in an online store is a great way to showcase specific items that you want to promote, either because they're new arrivals, popular with your customers, or because you simply want to boost their visibility. Let's start by navigating to your shop manager. Once you're logged in, head over to the listing section. This is where you'll find all your current product listings, and it's the perfect spot to manage everything related to your shop's inventory. You can see all your items here, from those that are brand new to those that have been in your shop a little longer. Now, with all of your listings laid out in front of you, it's time to select which of these you'd like to feature. Think of this as curating a special showcase on your shop's front page. Choose items that are seasonal, trending, or those that perhaps need a little sales boost. After you've decided which listings you want to place in the spotlight, look for the option that says Manage Featured Listings. By clicking this, you'll open a window that lets you manage and customize which items appear as featured on your shop's homepage. It's an intuitive tool that provides flexibility and control over your featured section. In this next part, you can add or remove featured items. It's quite straightforward. To add a listing as featured, simply select it from your inventory and it'll instantly be added to your featured section. Similarly, if there's an item that's no longer as relevant or perhaps out of stock, you can easily remove it from the featured list. This ensures that your showcase is always fresh and in line with your marketing goals or inventory status. Once you've made your selections, don't forget to save the changes. This step is crucial as it ensures that all the edits you've made will reflect accurately in your shop. Shoppers will then see the newly featured items when they visit your online store, drawing more attention to these particular products. That's all it takes to feature listings in your shop manager. Remember, keeping your featured listings up to date is not just about product promotion, it's about maintaining an engaging and dynamic shopping experience for your customers. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you're now ready to make the most out of your shop's featured listings. Thanks for watching and happy selling.